Hello everybody and welcome back to our latest episode of Tom Talks. My name is Tom with Crandall and Associates Insurance Agency and we're here to discuss all things insurance. Today we're going to be talking about inspections. Whether you have residential or commercial property, your insurance carrier does have the right to inspect your premise. Usually they will get your permission in order to inspect or let you know that they are coming out to, but technically they do not need it. Just an FYI there for you. Other than that, basically these inspections are happening more and more frequently because of high claim costs as well as adverse weather events that seem to be happening more and more frequently these days. So the inspector is going to come out, take some pictures of your property. Basically the things that they're looking for is siding damage, making sure there's no chunks of missing siding or previous damage that may have not been repaired. They're also looking at your roof, just making sure that the roof looks like it's in good condition, there's not a whole bunch of shingles missing or possible hail damage from a prior claim that wasn't repaired. They're also looking at things like the trees that surround your property, whether they be too close to the roof line or to the siding, because high winds can cause those branches to brush up against the roof and the siding and cause extra damage to those items. Sometimes they may do an interior inspection and they're looking for your electric panel to make sure it is not one of the panels that we talked about actually a few episodes ago that are high risk for fires. They're looking for making sure there's no water damage on the ceilings when they're doing interior inspections as well. I can't tell you how many times I've kind of been saying, hey, look, there's a water stain up there. I wonder how long that's been there. So everybody should be looking up when you're walking around your house. Other than that though, most of the time they're going to give you a set amount of days to get those recommendations completed. And two, as long as they know that you're working on it, they're a little bit more agreeable to that. They understand that not every single contractor can get out in a certain amount of days or get the materials they need, etc., etc. They also may just provide you with recommendations that don't necessarily require action. Maybe they just want you to mow your grass more, just to keep the brush down, so that way, God forbid, there's ever a brush fire, it's not going to affect your property. A whole bunch of different stuff that can happen, but just wanted to let everybody know that they are happening more frequently. Do not be alarmed, it is going to be okay. If you have questions or want to validate the inspection itself, you should definitely contact your agent. And of course too, if you guys have any questions or concerns or anything like that, we're always here to help our community, so please don't hesitate to give us a call. But other than that, that's all I had for you guys, and stay tuned in for the next episode.